Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your English lesson. My name is Драгана Алексиќ and I'm going to be your English teacher today. Dobrodošli, dragi moji. Ja sam Драгана Алексиć I danas ću biti vaša nastavnica engleskog jezika. The topics for today are telling the time and the days of the week. Kazivanje vremena I dani u nedelji. U svakom slučaju, tema današnjeg časa je snalaženje u vremenu. So let's start from the beginning and the basic expressions. An hour, half an hour, a quarter of an hour. An hour is a period of 60 minutes. Half an hour is a period of 30 minutes. A quarter of an hour is a period of 15 minutes. For example, it takes me an hour to get to school. We'll meet in half an hour. It took me a quarter of an hour to do that exercise. If we want to know the time, this is what we usually ask. What time is it? What's the time? Do you have the time? Could you tell me the time, please? I'm sure that you all remember this. When it is a full hour, we add a clock to a number. For example, it's 7 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Sigurna sam da se svi sećate ovoga. Kada je ravan sat, onda dodajemo izraz o'clock broju. But when it isn't a full hour, then we need to know just a few basic rules. Ako sat nije ravan, onda je potrebno da znamo samo nekoliko osnovnih pravila. Prvo od njih glasi da se u engleskom jeziku vrijeme različito govori u prvoj I u drugoj polovini sata. Šta to zapravo znači? Ako je vrijeme od punog sata, pa u narednih 30 minuta, govorimo koliko minuta je prošlo od punog sata. Pri tom koristimo izraz past. Past, prošlo. Ako je 5 minuta prošlo od punog sata, reći ćemo 5 past. Ako je prošlo 15 minuta, sećate se, 15 minuta ili a quarter of an hour, reći ćemo quarter past. Ako je prošlo pola sata, reći ćemo half past. U drugoj polovini sata uvek govorimo koliko minuta ima do narednog punog sata. Pri tom koristimo predlog to. Na primjer, 20 minuta do punog sata je 22. 10 minuta do punog sata je 10 to. So this is what it really looks like. What's the time? It's 5 past 2. Pogledajte, 2 I 5. 5 past 2. 10 past 2. Quarter past 2. 20 past 2. Half past 2. To je bila prva polovina sata, jel tako? Od 2 do pola 3. Hajde da pogledamo drugu polovinu sata. 25 to 3. 20 to 3. Quarter to 3. 5 to 3. 3 o'clock. Okay, so let's practice a little bit. Look at the times on the screen. Can you answer the question, what's the time? Please try. What's the time in number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? What's the time? Let's check. I'm waiting for you. Try to say the times. Okay, shall we check? Now look. What time is it? It's 25 to 7. It's 11:45. It's 25 past 10. It's 5:15. It's 20 to 3. It's 7:30. Well done, my friend. Now I've got a little listening practice for you. You're going to listen to 4 dialogues and they're all about answering this question. What's the time? Slušat ćemo 4 dijaloga i sva 4 se bave odgovaranjem na ovo pitanje. What's the time? Vaš zadatak je da slušate pažljivo i da dovršite rečenice. Dijaloge slušate ovim redosledom kojim ih vidite na ekranu. So, are you ready? Let's listen to the dialogues.
1. Hey Simon, what's the time?
The time?
Yeah,
It's 2:30.
1/2 what?
Oh, sorry, 2. It's 2:30.
Okay, thanks. 2.
Excuse me, what's the time?
It's about 4 o'clock, I think. Wait, let me see. No, it's 4:45 now.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. 3.
Good morning, everyone. This is Orange Radio, and I'm John Fox. It's 20 to 7, and the next song is for Sonia Jones in Tallworth.
4. Good afternoon, Andy. Good afternoon. What's the time?
It's 8:10.
So you mean good evening?
Yeah, I suppose so.
Okay, my dear friends, I hope you got it right. Nadam se da ste uspeli pravilno da zapišete vreme. Let's check. Do you remember Simon, number 1? What time is it? What's the time in number 1? Yes, it's 2:30. Well done. What about the dialogue number 2? What does the woman say? What's the time? Right, it's 4:45. Well done. What about the orange radio? Number 3. What's the time? Yes, you're right. It's 20 to 7. Well done. What about the boy and the girl? What does she say? What time is it? That's right. It's 8:10. Well done, my friends. When telling the time in English, you should also be careful about this. We use at plus time when giving the time of a specific event. Ako navodimo vrijeme početka ili završetka neke aktivnosti, koristimo predlog at. Look, John gets up at 7:10. He has breakfast at 7:30 and then he goes to school. His school starts at 8:45. He gets home at 10 to 3. Now, what about you? Let's answer a few questions. What time do you get up? Da li možete da mi odgovorite na ovo pitanje? What time do you get up? Kada ustajete? For example, I get up at 6:30. What time do you have breakfast? Can you tell me, what time do you have breakfast? U koliko sati doručkujete? For example, I have breakfast at 9 o'clock. When does your school start? Kada vam počinje škola? For example, my school starts at 7:30. Well done. Kao što vidite, ako želimo da znamo tačno vreme početka, završetka neke aktivnosti, to obično pitamo ovako. What time or when? Now tell me, my friends, do you know what the time zones are? Time zones, vremenske zone. There are 24 time zones in the world, which means that at every moment there are 24 different times in the world. Here you can see the map of the world and some friends greeting us from different countries. Na ovoj karti sveta možete vidjeti kako nas pozdravljaju drugari iz različitih zemalja. Saslušajte i obratite pažnju na to koliko se razlikuje doba dana u različitim zemljama. Listen.
Good morning. It's 7 a.m. here in Washington, D.C.
Hello. It's midday here in London.
Good afternoon. It's 1 o'clock here in Warsaw. Good evening. I'm in Hong Kong and it's 8 o'clock.
Hi, it's midnight here in Tonga. Good night.
Hi, it's 10 p.m. here in Canberra.
Okay, so the girl from Washington says, good morning, it's 7 a.m. And our friend in Canberra says, hi, it's 10 p.m. a.m., p.m. Da li su vam poznate ove skraćenice? a.m. koristimo da označimo da je vrijeme pre podne, a p.m. da označimo da je vrijeme posle podne. Sometimes when we say the time, it's also very important to say the part of the day. So, what parts of the day do you know? Koje delove dana već znate? Look. Morning, jutro, midday or noon, podne, afternoon, poslepodne. My mom goes to work at 8 o'clock in the morning, and she gets home at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. She has a lunch break at noon. Evening, večer, night, noć, midnight, ponoć. There is a horror film on TV at 9 o'clock in the evening, but if I watch horror films, I can't sleep at night. I'm afraid that a ghost will come at midnight. We use in, the plus part of the day when giving the part of the day of a specific event. Predlog in je predlog koji koristimo ispred naziva delova dana. Look, John gets up early in the morning and then he goes to school. He gets home in the afternoon. In the evening, he usually watches TV. But be careful. Pogledajte, postoje i neki izuzeci. We say at night, at noon, at midnight. My dog is always in my room at night. So now that we know how to say the time, now that we know how to say the part of a day, let's talk about the days. As you all remember, there are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are weekdays. Weekdays. To je ono što mi zovemo radnim danima. Saturday and Sunday are weekend. Weekend. The preposition on is the preposition we use before the days of the week. Predlog on je predlog koji koristimo ispred naziva dana. For example, he takes his dog for a walk on Mondays. We go to school on weekdays. But we say, at the weekend, we visit our grandparents. Now tell me, are you busy on weekdays? Da li ste vi zauzeti tokom nedelje? Look, there's the boy and the woman on the screen. The boy wants to talk to his friend Andrew, but Andrew is not at home. Where is Andrew? Dečak na ekranu pokušava da pronađe svog druga. Nazvao ga je telefonom, ali javila se mama. Pogledajte izraz lica ovog dečaka. Shvatio je da će do svog druga jako teško doći. Zašto? Well, his friend is really very busy. Slušajte šta mu je mama rekla. Hello, is Andrew there? No, he isn't here. Wait a minute. On Mondays, he takes his dog for a walk, and on Tuesdays, he plays table tennis with Sue after school. On Wednesdays, he flies his model planes in the park, and on Thursdays, he watches DVDs with Mark, so he's at Mark's house now. Oh, no, wait, it's Friday today, not Thursday. Andrew goes out with his friends every Friday. They go to that fast food restaurant near the school. Yes, that's right. On Saturdays and Sundays he stays at home and relaxes and... So Andrew is definitely very busy boy. Kao što ste vidjeli, Andrew je baš zauzet dečak. What does Andrew do on Mondays? Well, he takes his dog for a walk on Mondays. Ono što bih sada voljela da uradite jeste da pripremite svoje olovke da mi odgovorite na nekoliko pitanja. Let's start. What does Andrew do on Tuesdays? Can you say, what does he do on Tuesdays? Okay, write down your answer. Zapišite svoj odgovor, kasnije ćemo provjeriti. Let's go to the question number 3. What does he do on Wednesdays? What does Andrew do on Wednesdays? Yes. I'm waiting. Čekam da zapišete odgovor. Okay, let's move on. What does he do on Thursdays? What does Andrew do on Thursdays? Find it in the text. Okay. Let's move on. Fridays. What does Andrew do on Fridays? It's Friday today, right? What does he do on Fridays? Good. Let's go to the last question. What does Andrew do at weekends? What does he do at weekends? Okay, I hope you got it right. Let's check your answers. Look, Andrew plays table tennis with Sue on Tuesdays. He flies his model planes in the park on Wednesdays. On Thursdays, he watches DVDs with Mark. He goes out to a fast food restaurant on Fridays. At weekends, he stays home and relaxes. Well done, my friends. Now, my friends, tell me, what's your favorite day in a week? My favorite day is Saturday. Nemamo svi iste dane u nedelji koje onako malo više volimo, jel da? Pevač grupe The Cure, poznate engleske grupe The Cure, ima jedan dan koji posebno voli. Vaš zadatak sada jeste da saslušate deo pesme, pratite tekst na ekranu i da vidimo u koji je dan pevač zaljubljen. Listen. Okay, so what day is the singer in love with? Yes, you're right. It's Friday he's in love. Well done. Now, my friends, I've got some homework for you. Imamo i domaći na ovom času. Ako pratite čas preko TV-a, bilo bi dobro da slikate ekran, a ako ga pratite preko nekih aplikacija, u svakom slučaju možete pauzirati snimak. U svakom slučaju, zadatak vam je da dopunite ovih 6 rečenica rečima koje nedostaju i da odgovorite na 2 pitanja. I hope you liked this lesson. Until next time, goodbye, my friends.